Hi guys, welcome back to Master Gadgets YouTube channel. In this video we are going to work in on soil moisture sensor, which is widely used component for projects. Before I start working, I just give the basic on how it works. This module works on basic conductivity and resistance concept. If there is more moisture in the soil, the conductivity increases between the plates and the resistance decreases similarly. There is no moisture, the conductivity decreases and resistance increases based on these variations. In the resistance values, the electronic module converts the appropriate voltage drops at the analog output pin, which we can read on the Arduino or any other microcontroller. The components required to this project are an Arduino Uno board and a soil moisture sensor and some jumper wires. The come to connections. It's very simple. Now let's move out to the code. We have already connected the sensor to the analog A0 pin to the Arduino. So I declare in the declaration section int data type and sensor is connected to A0. So that is the basic code for reading. While upload this and see what are the values on serial monitor. Right, open the serial monitor. When default, the sensor is kept outside. Since there is no moisture, so there is no conductivity and therefore the resistance is more, which causes more voltage drop. So I am getting the corresponding digital values, which is 1023. So I try to keep this sensor completely inside the water, which we can consider 100% moisture. So as I keep it, the conductivity increases and resistance decreases. Therefore, the voltage drop decreases. So now the value has reduced to 400. So these are extreme mean and max values. If you keep the sensor inside the pot, there you will be able to see intermediate analog values based on the variation in the moisture. Next, I'll come into the white loop section and add if statement. My sensor data greater than or equal to 1000. As we seen in the serial monitor, then there is no moisture. So I can print in on the serial monitor. I use double quotes similarly. One more condition, check using else if sensor data greater than or equal to 500 and less or equal to 700. There is some moisture. And final condition, if the sensor data is less or equal to 400, then we'll print is soil is wet. This just I have shown as an example using some random values. This you can consider based on the values coming from your sensor. I'll upload this again and open in the serial monitor. So as we can see, there's already enough water in the soil and we are getting the value below 400 and also telling soil is wet. In the below,